Good afternoon, Sir Ma'am. I'm Dina Sibasinilio. I'm 39 years old, married with 2 kids. I live in Minanga, Philippines. Please, Ma'am, Sir, please choose me as your housemate. I am ex-abroad for 4 years and 6 months in Saudi Arabia as all-around housemate, taking care of newborn baby, elderly, and I also cook basic Arabic food. Please, to my new employer, I promise you that I am willing to take care newborn baby, children, and elderly, and I promise that I learn how to make Malay food, and thank you.